Union Home Minister has chaired a high-level security meeting today to discuss the law and order situation in Manipur as the violence in the state escalated. According to news agency, the meeting discussed on how to restore normalcy and directed to deploy additional 50 companies of Capf. This comes after deployment of 20 companies earlier, bringing the total to 70 CAFPF units now being mobilized to ensure law and order in the state. Of the newly deployed units, 35 companies will come from Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, while the remaining 15 will be from Border Security Force BSF, comprising over 5,000 personnel. With this addition, the total CAPF deployment in Manipur will rise to 218 companies. CRPF Director General A.D. Singh, along with senior officials from other CAFPFs, is already in the state to oversee operations and assess the ground situation. A detailed deployment plan is being advised in consultation with the Ministry of Home Affairs MSH and Manipur government. These reinforcements will be stationed in regions reporting the highest levels of violence to strengthen security and control law and order.